Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is Angelica Domingo, 29 years old, married. I live in Kawayan City, Isabela, Philippines. I have three children, 11 years old, 7 years old, and 3 years old. I have siblings, two brothers and one sisters, and I'm the eldest one. I'm a college level, and my course is hotel management restaurant.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My experience here in Philippines, sir, is taking good care of the children. I serve 5 persons in the family, 1 couple, 3 children, ages 10 years old, 3 years old, and 1 year old. My main duty is taking good care of the children, and I know how to doing a household chores like cooking, washing, ironing, cleaning the house, marketing, and also I'm experience is lady guard in SM Kawayan and a first aider.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family, sir.
Okay. Yes. What else?
And to give them a better life, sir.
Okay. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I do my job, sir, and my responsibilities.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
Usually, sir, I'm sleeping around 10 p.m. and the morning is 5 p.m., sir.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm the patient, sir, and calm.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I want to learn, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. Hope you select me as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible people. I promise to serve your family with all my best. Thank you.